Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha, observing well, went out to relieve herself. She was distinctively bulkier than other women, and in spite of observing well, she could not remain unknown to anyone who formerly knew her. Seeing her, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "O Sauda, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you cannot remain unidentified to us. So think how you can come out." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, hearing it, Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha came back while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was taking meal in my house, and he had a bone in his hand. Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha came in and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I went out and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu made such and such a statement." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, revelation descended on him and then it terminated, and the bone was still in his hand. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You have been permitted to go out to relieve yourselves." In Abu Bakr's narration, there is "Yafra'u sa'i jismuha." This narration explicitly mentions going to vast field for relieving oneself. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5633.